All right, we're here at the Metry Hall, and look what we have here. Take a look at this. Outside of the, look what we have here. Another AMS vending machine. Yeah, would you look at this? I'm gonna get number 64. Let's see. Oh, 225. So before we insert the buttons here, so this is pretty cool. You could use your thing like that. You can use your tap to wall like that. Anyway, let's put it in. All right, here we go. 6. Here we go, guys. And it comes out with this change right here. Oh yeah. Oh boy, we have like a couple of quarters. I have like a couple of quarters right here. See that? Yep. There's no shown. Sorry about that, because obviously we got an interruption here. Finally got my grandma's chocolate chip, and that concludes this video. So with that being said, thanks for watching, and that will be it.